Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable virus and threat protection on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable virus and threat protection on Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on Update and Security. In left pane, click on Windows Security, and under protection area, the first option is virus and threat protection. Click on it, scroll down. Under virus and threat protection settings, you will find here manage settings. Click on manage settings. Here you will find two types of protection, real-time protection and cloud delivered protection. Both are turned off. Just click here to turn it on, and again click here to turn it on. Now virus and threat protection is turned on my Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.